Powerful earthquake strikes Fiji region. Magnitude 6.1 earthquake rocks Fiji region. Earthquake affected Fiji, Tonga, and Wallis and Futuna. Earthquake struck at 5:30 a.m. 115 miles from Wallis and Futuna. Strong. Magnitude 6.1 earthquake struck Fiji region today. Earthquake occurred at 5:30 a.m. local time, 155 miles away from Wallis and Futuna. Note: tsunami warning had been issued. Preliminary earthquake report magnitude 6.1 date time February 18, 2021 15:30 and 50 seconds at February 19, 2021 4:30 and 50 seconds near epicenter February 18, 2021 location 14.879 s 176.741 watts depth 10 kilometers distances 160.4 kilometers 99.4 miles SA of a low Wallis and Futuna 451.6 kilometers 280.0 miles, Ine of Labasa, Fiji 548.9 kilometers 340.3 miles, WSW of Apia, Samoa 628.3 kilometers 389.6 miles, Ni of Suva, Fiji 651.5 kilometers 403.9 miles, W of T. Funa, American Samoa location uncertainty horizontal. 7.1 kilometers, vertical 1.9 kilometers parameters NPH equals 63, min equals 161.4 kilometers, RMSS equals 1.05 seconds, GP equals 49 degrees.